Are you ready to challenge yourself and transform your waistline in just 10 minutes? Let's dive right into this high-intensity workout designed to trim those inches off your waist fast. First up, we're hitting the ground with some plank jacks. Get into a plank position, hands directly under your shoulders. As you hold that core tight, jump your feet out wide and then back together. Keep your hips steady and your body straight. Let's go for 30 seconds. This exercise not only engages your core, but also ramps up your heart rate, burning calories while sculpting your waist. Next, we're moving into bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and lift your legs to a tabletop position. Bring your right elbow to your left knee while extending your right leg. Alternate sides in a controlled motion. Focus on squeezing your abs as you twist. We'll do this for 30 seconds. This move targets your obliques, helping to carve out that waistline. Now, let's get up for some side lunges. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Step to the right, bending your right knee while keeping your left leg straight. Push back to the center and switch sides. Keep your chest up and engage your core. We'll do 30 seconds of these. Side lunges are fantastic for working your lower body and engaging your core, giving you that hourglass shape. Time for some Russian twists. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the ground. Hold your hands together and twist your torso to the right, then to the left. Keep your movements controlled and your core engaged. Let's go for 30 seconds. This exercise is a killer for your abs and obliques, helping to tighten and tone your waist. Finally, we'll finish strong with mountain climbers. Get back into that plank position and drive your knees toward your chest, alternating quickly. Keep your core tight and your back flat. Push yourself for 30 seconds. This is a full-body workout that really gets your heart pumping and helps burn fat. Remember, consistency is key. These exercises, when done regularly, can lead to significant changes in your waistline. Focus on your form, breathe through each movement, and challenge yourself to push a little harder each time. If you found this workout effective, like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your journey to a fitter you starts now.